May mga tao talagang mga tamad, palaging tulog at walang kwenta. Ito nga pala si Kobe.
Hoy, malilate ka na!
Sige, mag-elevator ako. Unlike him who takes the elevator, he can be more sleepy at times and makes them unproductive at class. Ang mga tao na may ganitong lifestyle ay tawag na sedentary lifestyle. Mga tao na ganito ay halos walang ginagawa.
Okay, so for recitation points, I will be calling one of you to answer a question. Gab, may you please answer the first question on the board? Gab!
Sa pagtingin pa lang, makikita nyo kung sino yung masipag at sino yung tamad. Dahil sa lifestyle niya, walang ganap sa buhay, humihina ang memory niya at ang pag-iisip niya. Bumababa din ang energy niya at pag-concentrate niya sa klase at di din nakaka-recite. Taking extra steps can improve your cardiovascular system, and it's also a wake-up call to make you more productive at school. Because of his low energy and poor concentration, hindi siya nakapag-participate sa mga gawain na nakakatulong sa physical and intellectual self niya. Avoiding a sedentary lifestyle helps you to be more focused and energized. When you choose to move, you choose to be healthier, more confident, and makes you move your best every day.